Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of waking up to stubborn breakouts, redness, and pimples that just won't go away? What if I told you that one simple ingredient from your kitchen could help clear acne overnight? Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'm sharing an incredible one-ingredient face mask that worked wonders on my skin. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal how to use it correctly, the science behind why it works, and some important do's and don'ts. Most of us spend hundreds of dollars on expensive acne treatments, creams, and serums. But the truth is, sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. And this mask? It's affordable, natural, and super effective. Let's dive right in. The star of today's video is honey, specifically raw organic honey. Why honey? Because it's a natural antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and healing agent. For centuries, honey has been used in skincare to treat wounds, infections, and yes, even acne. Honey fights acne-causing bacteria, soothes irritation, and reduces redness. Plus, it keeps the skin moisturized without clogging pores, making it perfect for acne-prone skin. Here's how you can make this simple one-ingredient acne mask at home. Step 1. Start with clean, freshly washed skin. Step 2. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw organic honey. Step 3. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply a thin layer all over your face, focusing on acne-prone areas. Step 4. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes. Step 5. Rinse off with lukewarm water and gently pat dry. You'll instantly notice softer, calmer skin, and by the next morning, your redness and swelling will visibly reduce. Here's why this works. Honey contains hydrogen peroxide, a natural antibacterial agent. It kills acne-causing bacteria while soothing inflammation. Its enzymes help cleanse clogged pores, and its antioxidants promote faster healing of pimples. Unlike harsh chemical treatments, honey doesn't strip your skin of natural oils, which means no dryness or irritation. To maximize results, here are a few tips. Always use raw or manuka honey for the best benefits. Processed honey may not be as effective. Do this 2 to 3 times a week for long-term acne control. If you want an extra boost, you can mix honey with turmeric or cinnamon. But remember, honey alone is powerful enough. Be consistent. Natural remedies take time to show their best results. Before you try this, keep these in mind. Do a patch test if you have sensitive skin. Use clean hands and a fresh towel every time. Don't use processed honey, it won't work the same. Don't expect miracles in one day for severe acne. Consistency is the key. When I first tried this honey mask, I honestly didn't believe it would work. But the next morning, the angry red pimples on my face had calmed down, and my skin felt smoother. That's when I knew I had to share this simple hack with you guys. So there you have it. One ingredient, one mask, and clearer skin overnight. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more natural skincare hacks, and share this with someone struggling with acne. Your support helps this channel grow and bring you more amazing beauty secrets. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.